Today's video is on the top 3 best food dehydrators on Amazon. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or the use of it, we've got you covered. For more information on products, I have included affiliate links below, which are updated for the best prices. Number 3, best budget, Cosori Food Dehydrator for jerky. I recently got my hands on this awesome dehydrator, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. Designed right here in California, it's got that sleek style and serious functionality. First off, let's talk about power. With a 600 watt rating and a maximum temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 73 degrees Celsius, plus hot air circulation from the rear fan, it cooks up delicious and healthy treats in record time. I've tried it out myself, and the results are impressive. Now, on to what it comes with. You get 6 trays, 1 mesh screen, 1 fruit roll sheet, a user manual, and a 50 recipe cookbook. Trust me, you'll have everything you need to get started right away. And let's not forget about capacity. This thing can handle enough snacks for my whole crew, with up to 6.5 square feet of drying space. I even tested it with a hefty 7 pounds of raw beef, and it handled it like a champ. The digital control panel is a dream to use. I love how I can set the timer for up to 48 hours and dial in the exact temperature I want, anywhere from 95 degrees to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Precision cooking at its finest. Now, onto the trays. They're made with food-grade stainless steel, so they're super safe, durable, and easy to clean. Just toss them in the dishwasher when you're done. It's that simple. And let's talk about noise. This dehydrator is surprisingly quiet, with noise levels of less than 48 decibels. I've even run it overnight without any disturbance. Safety features? Check. It's got auto shut off when the timer ends and overheating protection for peace of mind. Plus, the glass door is a nice touch. I can keep an eye on my snacks without opening it up. Overall, I'm seriously impressed with this dehydrator. Oh, and did I mention it'd make a perfect Mother's Day gift? Trust me, Mom will thank you for it. And hey, if you're worried about finding the right dryer sheets for your dehydrator, don't sweat it. They've got you covered with the correct ones linked below, so you can start dehydrating with confidence. Number 2, best overall Magic Mill food dehydrator machine. I've been trying out this electric food dehydrator, and let me tell you, it's pretty awesome. One thing I like is the fan in the back. It helps spread the heat around so everything dries evenly. Plus, I don't have to keep moving the trays around like I've had to with other dehydrators. And the best part, I can easily check on my snacks through the see-through door. Now, onto the technical stuff. It's got this digital thermostat and timer that I've been using. I can set the temperature and time, and when it's done, it just shuts off by itself. No more worrying about overcooking my snacks. Oh, and the trays. There are plenty of them, and they're adjustable too. I've been drying all sorts of stuff from fruits to herbs, and even making fruit roll-ups with the special trays. And let's not forget the hanging racks for making jerky. They're a game changer. Cleaning up is a breeze too. I just throw the trays in the dishwasher and I'm done. Plus, it's made with safe materials, so I don't have to worry about any harmful stuff getting into my food. Overall, I've been really impressed with this food dehydrator. It's easy to use, dries everything perfectly, and cleanup is a snap. Recommend it to anyone looking to make their snacks at home. Number 1, our pick Excalibur electric food dehydrator machine. I've been testing out this food dehydrator, and let me tell you, it's pretty impressive. First off, it comes with 9 trays that are super easy to clean. And the best part? It's massive. You've got over 15 square feet of space to dry out all your goodies. Now let's talk about control. This thing has a thermostat that I can adjust to my liking. I can set it anywhere from 105 to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So whether I'm drying fruits and veggies or jerky, this dehydrator can handle it all. But here's the real kicker. It works at a low temperature, like around 115 to 118 degrees max. That means all the good stuff in my food, like the nutrients and enzymes, stays intact. So whether I'm making fruit leather, pet treats, or even bread, I know I'm keeping the good stuff in. And get this, it's efficient too. It dries out my food faster, retains more nutrients, and I don't even have to rotate the trays. It's all thanks to some fancy technology it's got going on. Oh, and did I mention it's made right here in the USA with materials from here and around the world, plus they throw in a digital guide to dehydration when you buy it, so you can learn how to dry out all sorts of foods like a pro. Overall, I'm seriously impressed with this dehydrator. It's made my food drying adventures a breeze. You wanted the best. You got it. That's it for the top 3 best food dehydrators on Amazon. For more product info, check the affiliate links and our website, toppick3.com. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive notifications about our latest product videos.